So we're back and we're here to ask Dr. Shadu some questions about some exciting news with hair restoration for thinning hair or even bald folks. And I wanted to ask you, you have this Nuvaderm laser. How does it work to restore hair?
Hi everyone. So yes, the exciting new application. Our laser creates microthermal zones in the scalp that trigger growth factors and improve blood supply to follicles. Work best for androgenic alopecia, male pattern hair loss in both men and women. Studies shows improved hair density and thickness with 12 weekly sessions, especially when combined with PRP or topical exosomes. I just wanted to thank you all that have been watching us, but if there is further question, there is a link included in this video that take you to the blog with further information, and of course our website novelliewellness.com can provide even further information about the combination treatment that we are offering for hair restoration, including the laser and derived even microneedling. Follow us and please subscribe to our channel. Looking forward to see you all.